Water damage is one of the most common and potentially destructive problems you can face as a property owner. It is a common misbelief that the problem is solved solely by removing the visible excess water. When water damage happens, moisture gets absorbed into the flooring and walls, and it intrudes hard to reach places. Mold colonies can form in less than 48 hours. Mildew degrades indoor air quality and can cause allergy outbreaks. Contaminated water poses health risk due to the development of harmful bacteria. To mitigate these potential health threats and avoid further damage, we advise calling a water restoration company within the first 24 to 48 hours. Whether you're dealing with an appliance overflow, flood damage, burst pipe, or other plumbing issues, our Dry Kings team is here to help. Our experts at Dry Kings are ready to offer rapid response. After contacting our emergency response team, our process includes damage inspection and assessment, where we take moisture readings and infrared photos, water extraction and removal, where we drain the excess water and remove all water damage by performing controlled cuts, dehumidifying and drying by placing air movers and appropriate sized dehumidifiers, and content repairing and rebuilding. We take pride in being the most reputable and reliable fire and water damage restoration company in the San Francisco Bay Area. We have a passion for helping local business and homeowners get back on their feet after any disaster. Get your property up and running again with Dry Kings Restoration. Give us a call today.